इसकी जड़ें हैं वो ज्यादा गहरे कराची किंग्स के लिए काफी अर्से के बाद हमने गुगली भी करते हुए भी देखा इनको लेफ्ट तो खेलते हैं कंटिन्यू करेंगे
और उनको ये
कंप्लीट फील्डर
you want to make sure that they're not starting very quickly. Najib Allah. Oh. Shot and wide and hammered. Too much room.
This time ځدران making
slow one, just chip and get away with that.
Well, he goes leg side. Big slog sweep. Goes wider, and this is terrific batting. He's gone over extra cup.
And just a single. But
just a little lazy in getting to the other end, the left-hander, and Hassan Ali. Yorker will toss once again into the gap, coming back for the sake of him. And with some lovely shots, sixes to go with boundaries. Dash for four in the gap. Wider the target.
Well, he's gone for the Yorker, executed to perfection. It wasn't poor. It was sort of round shin height, but third man was up. Backward point was there. There was an area that had a lot of...
Slower ball, six. Great batting. This is what Kings needed at this stage of the innings. Fireworks.
From ځدران, the ability to pick the slow ball out the hand, acted beautifully for 91 meters. What an open.
That's good bowling. Round. There's the legs to come back for the second. I think he's run up.